This video guide will provide step-by-step instructions on how to successfully assemble this cabinet in your home. This cabinet measures 34 inches tall by 32 inches wide by 18 inches deep. So be sure to accurately measure the space where you want to install the cabinet before beginning assembly. The box contains everything needed for proper installation, including top, bottom, back, right side and left side panels, drawer panels, left and right door panels, work surface, drawer glides, locks, leveling feet, corner brackets, screws, washers, and hex nuts. You will also need a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. Start by aligning the holes and inserting the top panel into the edge of the back panel and loosely attach using 3 of the screws provided. No need to tighten completely until all screws are in place after step 9. Repeat the previous step, but this time insert the bottom panel into the edge of the back panel. Align the holes and loosely attach using 3 more of the screws provided. Again, don't tighten completely until after step 9. Next, attach 2 of the corner brackets to the left side panel. Align the holes and loosely attach using 4 of the screws provided. Once complete, repeat the process for the right side panel. Remember not to tighten the screws completely until step 8. Using 2 of the sheet metal screws, attach the drawer glides to the right side panel. The drawer glide should extend toward the front side of the panel for correct functionality. You will need to extend the drawer glides to gain access to the screw locations. Fully tighten the sheet metal screws into place. Repeat this step for the left side panel. Next, attach the right side panel to the outside edges of the top and bottom panels. Align the holes before loosely attaching using 6 of the screws provided. Remember not to tighten the screws completely until after step 9. Now, attach the left side panel to the outside edges of the top and bottom panels. Align the holes before loosely attaching using 6 more of the screws provided. Remember not to tighten the screws completely until after step 9. Secure the 4 corner brackets from step 4 to the top and bottom panels. Align the holes before attaching with 8 of the screws provided. To complete assembly of the cabinet frame, secure the back panel to the side panels using 6 more of the screws provided and tighten all screws, including those from previous steps. Place the shelf inside the cabinet by installing the 2 shelf locks to the right side panel using 2 screws. Once complete, fully secure the shelf by repeating this step for the left side panel using the 2 remaining shelf locks and screws. To assemble the drawer, interlock the drawer back panel and the drawer left side panel. The drawer left side panel should be on the outside of the drawer back panel. Rotate the panels until the tabs sit flush with the back side panels. Repeat the previous step, but this time interlock the drawer back panel and drawer right side panel, and rotate panels until the tabs sit flush with the back side panels. Insert the drawer bottom panels tab into the slot in the drawer back panel, rotating until the bottom panel sits on the internal flanges of the drawer side panels. Complete the drawer assembly by attaching the drawer front panel to the bottom and side panels using 6 sheet metal screws, making sure to fully tighten each screw. Attach the lock to the drawer's front panel by sliding the lock body into the cutout area and secure with the lock nut. Then, install the locking latch to the lock body and secure with the screw provided. Align the assembled drawer to the drawer glides inside the cabinet and push to complete the assembly. Attach the right and left door panels to the cabinet using 8 of the screws provided, and tighten all screws to secure cabinet assembly. Attach the lock to the right door by sliding the lock body into the cutout on the door and securing with the lock nut. Then install the locking latch to the lock body and secure with 1 screw. To secure the work surface to the cabinet, place the work surface on top of the cabinet, aligning the 4 holes on the bottom of the work surface to the 4 holes on top of the cabinet. Then, use the wood screws and washers provided to secure together. To wall mount, insert the 2 mounting bracket tabs into the slots on the back panel, Align the holes and secure using the 4 screws provided. Mount the cabinet to the wall using a FastTrack rail by hooking the mounting brackets onto the FastTrack rail at a slight angle. Then slowly lower the cabinet until it is resting fully against the wall. Your FastTrack 2-door plus drawer-based cabinet is now ready to use. For additional storage, you can add to your cabinet by attaching accessories to the built-in channels on the cabinet's side panels. For further assistance, reach out to Rubbermaid Customer Service.